Welcome back. So hopefully you had success and you came up with a solution. If your solution slightly differs from mine but works, that's totally fine. If you got stuck, well, we're here now, so let's unstuckify, okay? All right, so what is this exercise asking us to do? It's asking us to create a string literal named password, and we want to have the value of Pokemon. So I'm just going to go up into the main function here. I'm going to write solution, so we know we're writing a solution. We're going to create a variable called password, and we're going to set it to Pokemon, comma, okay? And we want to convert it to string, so we could actually do that with which, let me ask you, which method? Well, we know that we could do that with a toString, right? So I could go to underscore string, and let's add our semicolon to end the expression. All right, so what do we do here? Well, we instantiated a variable as a string literal, and now we've converted it to a string object with the toString method. Now that we've converted it, we're ready to get deep. But are we? Did we not forget one thing? Well, remember, the second part is that we want to, using the string object push method, modify the password. Okay. Remember, modifications means that we want a mutable, we want a changing type of password. So we're going to make this mutt. We're going to bring in the keyword. And what do we want to modify to? We want it to include catch them all. So which method should we use if we want to include gotta catch them all? Well, I would think that that's the push string, right? So we can say here password dot push underscore string space gotta catch them all. All right, and now let's print it. So we're going to do a little print action over here, and let's push password, and let's close this up. All right, and does this work? Is this a working solution? Well, let's give it a test drive. So if I click on run, and I see I'm getting an error. Suffixes on a string literal are invalid. So let's see what the error is. Can you spot the error? Looks like in my haste, I forgot to add a comma here. Remember, this is an argument and this is another argument. If I remove the comma, well, that's just a big confusing mess. So let's go ahead and run it again and see what happens. All right, looks like we're compiling successfully. We see at the very bottom, Pokemon, gotta catch them all. Boom, Pokemon. All right, very good. So there you go, that's the solution. So if you figured that out, excellent work. You are getting familiar with Rust. You're starting to get it. These are exciting times. All right, so I hope this was a clear step-by-step process through string object manipulation, with literals and Rust. Let's call it, we can call it here, and then whenever you're ready, I'll see you for more in the next lesson. Okay, bye.